सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. In the last 2 days, you guys took care of the family. You guys are extended family, on a serious note, and I mean it. Seeing this thing after I visiting after 6 years, or to see what has come to life is just unbelievable. I just think this is humbling, in a way that we have been given an opportunity to be part of something that has an opportunity to save lives that we are seeing. हमारा काम आसान है. देखिए पैसा देना जो है ना, for anybody in US or any elsewhere, it's probably one of the easier thing. क्योंकि अगर आपके पास है तो आप दे सकते हैं. लेकिन you guys, even though it's work, you guys are contributing on a daily basis. फरहान भाई अपना जितना time in the environment that he lives in, जितना time देते हैं, it's not that easy. So I'm going back, and hopefully everybody else who's here goes back and sees that this is, everything else doesn't matter. To me, the highlight is just seeing those two kids, right? And they are being operated. They're 5-year-old. Just think about if they didn't have access to this facility, PCHF, what would have gone through their families, right? So I've always said in our fundraisers as well, the feeling of a parent seeing their kid suffering because of lack of financial needs, probably there is nothing more painful than that, because as a parent I know you would want to do everything that you can for your kid. So आप लोगों का यार बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, because what you guys are doing, you're part of something that is very noble, and I say it again, yes, we all have jobs and we give our time, लेकिन ये एक ultimate जो outcome है, that is in front of you. And फरहान भाई का शुक्रिया, because इनकी वजह से I think we all have become part of it. So you don't have to say thanks to anybody, because I think this is an opportunity for us, because if we weren't part of this, we would have been doing something else. Probably spending more time to be more busy or make more money, or I don't know what else. But this is an opportunity, and I think Alamia has chosen us to take something, and hopefully we can stay committed, humble, towards the cause more than anything else. So आप लोगों का PCHF की टीम का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.